Hello everyone. I'm excited to introduce to you today FiberPTS, a production tracking system specifically designed for clothing manufacturing companies. Due to high labor costs and a lack of technological systems in this industry, most, if not all, clothing manufacturing companies in the US struggle to track their factory throughput efficiently. To solve this problem, we came up with a device that will be deployed in every machine in the factory. Attached to it, we have an NFC reader that scans NFC tags to identify the order being processed and the operator working on it, a touch sensor, which allows operators to record the completion of one unit of work, and an LED screen that displays relevant information about the current workstation. Lastly, we use Supabase, a simple cloud database provider, to store and access this valuable data securely. To demonstrate the system in action, we went to Ferrara Manufacturing, a well-known clothing manufacturing company based in New York, and deployed one of our devices in their packaging station. Rocio is one of the skilled personnel in charge of packaging finished garments in the factory. To start, she takes her employee tag and taps it onto the reader. Now that her employee ID has been processed in the system, she then takes an NFC tag associated with the order that she will be working on today and taps it onto the reader. Now that the order has been processed, she can then start working as usual. Upon packaging one garment, she then taps the touch sensor to register one unit of completed work in the system. Lastly, factory managers will have access to process data in Supabase, enabling them to track the number of completed units, completion dates, associated orders, responsible employees, and the specific machines in the factory in which these units were completed. Thank you so much for your attention, and this was FiberPTS.